Welcome, halibut lovers and halibut curious. I feel confident in saying that everyone who likes fish probably likes halibut. So today we're making halibut stock. It's easy to make and it takes under an hour. It freezes well and it's great in soups, chowders, stews, congee. It's awesome in bouillabaisse or chiapino. You can sip it like bone broth because that's what it is. It's just halibut bones. It's lovely in miso soup. And let's get into the kitchen and cook.